Uh, Hello. So today again we are here to talk about some experiments. Next we have the if then. So that is called control structure. And under that we have conditional control structure. So what is this control structure? It means we have to put the condition. We have to test the condition. If the condition is true, we have to execute particular line as given here. If the condition is false, then this one. So this is called if then else statement. If then else actually we can write in same line as if it's there, and we can also break the line. If we break the line, then we have to uh, put the end single line. If it remember, we can say that it looks like this one. If condition, then the statement we want to execute. It returns 0 or non-zero, we can say that. So here is a simple example. We'll also write. Okay, so this is the multiple line. If it is the same line, if then this one. If is not needed there, but if we actually that use multiple line, then actually in that case we have to put the if. Okay, so here is a if else if single line here, if then else. Okay, so this also can be written there. If there is multi-line, so what is meaning of multi-line? Multi-line means here if then condition, then we have to put keyword statement we want to execute, then if. So this is called multiple lines of if. Similarly, we can also go for the else. At last, we have to put the in there. Looks like this one. If then then this specific statement, then in there. So this is called if else. Let's see some examples related to this one. Uh, so here we have used same line. Yes, let's run it. Let's get two numbers here. Both are different. Yes. Rerunning now. Yes, here we can see if and else they are in same line, and if we use this structure, then if is not needed. But if we break the line, like if then this goes down there, similarly else here, similarly here. So if this is the case, then what we have to do then? We have to put if. Yes, so this is also a case. So this is called multiple line of if, and the previous one it was single line of if. Let's run this one. 7, 8. Both are different. So this is a concept of if then else structure. Okay. Now next we have here multi-line if else. That's called ladder. uh, okay, we have already discussed that if else if multi-line. Now we have next here um, ladder of if then else statement. So what is the meaning of this one? If you have multiple conditions to be tested, then we have to use the if then else if. Okay, so on the evaluation of multiple expressions, multiple conditions, then so either can be true or false. So here is the syntax. This is the condition we have to test. Then this statement we have to execute. If not, this condition is tested. If this is true, this is executed. At last, what happens? This is executed. If the none of the conditions become true, then so this is called if else ladder. Let's see an example of this one. Let's do copy and paste for some other conditions here. That's all. Nothing more there. Running. Input here. Suppose that is 70. B plus script. Yes. So this is how it works. This is called if else if. I hope you answer about this one. Yes, it's very simple there. Means if we have multiple conditions, then we have to use the else if, and so on. And then is also needed. Yes. Okay. I hope you answer this one. If you have any question, then let me know. In next session, we'll be talking about the nested if and the loop. Okay. Thank you.